Okay. Yeah, put it, Ila. There's like, how is it, Darren? It's nice? Yeah? Oh, they like it. So I passed. So this is how you're going to put it. Yeah.
First, I'm going to put the noodles in my bowl.
Okay, do it like this, baby.
Okay.
Yeah. Make this is easier.
Yeah. I think that is enough.
Yeah? That's enough? Okay. Put a little bit of meat. Also with that one, yeah. Chicken. Should be enough, yeah. Shall I put this there? Shall I do it? Or you are gonna do it, Ila?
You can do it.
Oh, yeah. So now, guys. Whoa, smoke coming. Oh, the camera is all smoky. Like me. Oh, I need to wash. Okay, how is it, Ila? It's become blur because of the smoke.
Because the soup is different than before what my mom made.
It's become all blurry. How is it? It's good? Oh, look at them. They are enjoying. So guys, so this way I can feed them some veggies. Okay, bon appetit. Eet smakelijk, Ila Tara.